Maybe I won't.
Coupled with a powerful GE F110 engine that produces 28,000 pounds.
Are you okay?
Gentlemen, let's go live to the cockpit. Viper 1, Viper 2, how do you read? Today's demonstration.
Right here. Nice. Got it.
You guys have your earphones, right?
Haha.
Wings in Broomfield, Texas in May of 2003. He has since approved over 19, including more than 1,500 in the FAA Hornet, and has amassed over 250 arrested landings. The FA-18 and the minimum radius turn.
Not to.
Huh? It's just a carry brake.
The FA-125. We hope that you've enjoyed this demonstration of the FA-18 Hornet.
That's going to land long. No,
just as much as we have enjoyed putting on this so far. And that's what you call a bolter. When the aircraft is not deep the third or fourth arresting wire on the flight deck, the pilot immediately goes to full afterburner and takes back off. And Jeffco coming in right now for a short approach. He'll be touching down and taxiing to the ramp. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I hope you've enjoyed seeing this aircraft.
Yeah, I want to see that done in an F-16.
And realize that it is flown and maintained by members of the United States Navy.
No landing gear.
In just a moment, we're going to turn the field over to the Air Force. And once again, we're going to see those young men and women who defend our freedoms worldwide performing to excellence here at the Colorado Sport International Air Show.
That's why he's an FA. He's a Marine pilot.
Actually.